I am delighted to announce the opening of our new facility for the Operations and Maintenance Centre of Excellence. Situated within the Port of Grimsby, we have located ourselves at the heart of UK operations and maintenance for offshore wind. With planned investment of over £35 million in the next 5 years, we are committed to aligning our services to the needs of this growing sector.
I'm very pleased to personally welcome the Operations and Maintenance Centre of Excellence to its new facility within the Port of Grimsby. Offshore Renewable Energy Catapult's move is a reflection of Grimsby's leading role in offshore wind, one of the UK's fastest growing energy sectors. We have a long and proud maritime heritage, so it is testament to our town's ambition that we have transferred our skills and expertise to a major and long-term industry in offshore wind.
Our move comes at an absolutely critical time, not just in support of the growth and prosperity of our own industry, but also for the UK's green economic recovery and progress towards our net zero goals. The Operations and Maintenance Centre of Excellence will play a central role in this, collaborating with key industry stakeholders, UK supply chain and academia to accelerate new and innovative technology and best practice for wind energy in the UK. This will focus on accelerating some of the most advanced solutions to the market in areas such as robotics, autonomous systems, artificial intelligence and predictive maintenance, which will serve to enhance the UK's status as a world leader in offshore wind. In turn, our activity will help to drive economic growth, particularly across the supply chain, utilising skills and expertise from other strong UK sectors such as automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, defence and data and digital. This will be vitally important in job creation and building long-term economic resilience.
Our port is already home to some of the industry's biggest players, and we are perfectly located to service the world's largest offshore wind farms in the North Sea. By working closely with ORE Catapult, we can continue to attract inward investment, create high-value jobs, nurture innovation, and develop our local supply chain. This is an incredibly exciting time for Grimsby and the Humber offshore wind cluster, and I look forward to working with ORE Catapult as we continue to make Grimsby and the UK a global leader in offshore wind operations and maintenance.
I'm very excited by this next evolution of our Operations and Maintenance Centre of Excellence, and I look forward to the team continuing their fantastic work to keep our industry at the forefront of the UK's clean energy strategy.